How you doing? Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make this unbelievably beautiful spice powder, Arabic. You know, using Arab food like Nashif and things like that. I mean, you can use it in most stuff really. It's kind of like a kind of garam masala type thing. Wonderful, wonderful spices. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here then. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 ingredients. Let's start at the front. Cinnamon, red chili, peppercorns. I'm using white, but of course you could use black. Green cardamom, cumin seeds. This is fennel seeds powder, turmeric and coriander powder. Now, I don't have any, unfortunately, coriander seeds or fennel seeds with me today, so I'm just using the powders. What we're going to do is we're going to get these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dry roast them in the pan, grind it up with these guys, and you've got a beautiful spice mix. Now, some people would never ever put those in. Some people would add fenugreek to it. So yeah, lots of people kind of play around with it in a different way, so you can adjust it however you wish. Now, regarding the amounts, as you can see, I've basically got equal amounts, roughly equal amounts. Again, play around with that to get it just how you want. So let's get to the cooker and dry roast off these guys. Okay, so could not be easier. Start again. Okay, so could not be easier. Got a pan here, dry pan. I'm gonna drop in our cinnamon, our peppercorns. Like I said, I'm using white. You could be using black. Our chili, our optional cardamom, or like I say, some people use fenugreek seeds, and our cumin. Heat is on. We're just going to throw these around in the pan just for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Just as it starts to smoke a little bit, off goes the heat. Job done. Okay, so they're still very hot. Just let them cool down a little bit, and then we're going to go to a grinder, like a coffee grinder or something like that, and produce a nice kind of powder. Grind them up, mix these guys in. Simply, that's it. And that is beautiful. So, so beautiful. Okay, let's move on. So I've just placed that in a bowl. We're now going to add in our fennel, our coriander, and our turmeric. We're going to give that a really nice little mix, and our wonderful spice mix is ready. And get this in a airtight container, or you know, a container with a lid or something, a screw top lid or something like that, and it will last for about maximum a month. I mean, we go through this quite a lot actually, so yeah, after a month I'd make some fresh. The sooner you use it, the better. I mean, that's why we only make kind of small amounts. We don't make masses of it. But there you go, that's it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.